Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out the NovelKeys Sherbet switches. Now I recently got these out of my mystery unboxing from NovelKeys. They are a clicky switch, so for all those clicky fans out there, this is a switch that you may be interested in. Now this is a very unique clicky switch because most switches that are clicky have a box stem, but this has your normal stem and it's something different. I don't really know why it just has a normal stem instead of a box stem, but that's just how it is. It has an actuation force of 45 grams and a bottom out force of 70 grams. And it has 4 millimeters of travel distance. In my opinion, when using this switch, I do notice the 70 gram bottom out. It is a bit too heavy for me, and since the actuation force is 45 grams, it's pretty easy to bottom out. And once you hit that bottom out, it does feel heavy, and it's not really something that I personally enjoy, but maybe if you're into more of a heavier bottom out when it comes to your switches, then this one might be up your alley. Now when it comes to the sound of the switch, the click is a bit higher pitched than something you would find on a box jade. I don't think it sounds as good as a box jade if you're going to be talking about clicky switches, but it's not bad in any sense. In my opinion, I think they're just okay. I'm pretty sure I would rather get box jades. If I absolutely had to get clicky switches, I would get box jades or box navies over these switches any day. I just don't like the fact that the 70 gram bottom out is so heavy, and you can definitely feel it when typing or playing any video games, especially rhythm games. My fingers got tired really fast when playing rhythm games, and I was doing really poorly when playing. So that is something to keep in mind if you do plan on buying these switches. The bottom out is very heavy. Now when it comes to the scratchiness or ping of these switches, there is some spring ping. You can hear it a little bit, but it's not absolutely horrible where it's like, you shouldn't even think about getting these switches. It's there, but it's not super prominent, so something to also keep in mind. People do recommend lubing these. I have seen people do that. Didn't even know people actually lubed clicky switches, but for me personally, since I won't be using these a lot, I won't be lubing them. If you wanted to hear how they sounded stock, I'll be leaving a sound test here for you now. Overall, the click is more of a higher pitch. It sounds decent. It doesn't feel the greatest, but if this is something that you're into, then it is definitely something that you should check out. I'll be leaving a link to them in the description below for you to buy, and let me know what you guys think about these switches in the comments down below. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.